Do you ever just sit there and go, Twilight, 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 Twilight? No? Yeah, I might be alone on that one. Actually, me and my sister just like look at each other sometimes. We go, Twilight, Twilight. And then people think we're crazy. Crazy in love with Twilight. Wow, what a week it's been. It's been quite a week, actually. Like a crazy week. The soundtrack came out. I myself currently don't have the funds, but my sister purchased it. Printed a copy for me. It's in my car, so I am listening to it like all the time. And it was my sister's birthday. And I don't have it, but it's in the house. That's the movie companion. I've been flipping through it. It's amazing. Amazing. So, my sister catching up on merch. I'm not currently, but I'm working on it. So, to move on with this. I'm getting a little better. Like last week, it was really bad. I'm still stuck on cough drops. Actually, I'm like chewing them. I've gone through 2 bags in 1 week. That's kind of sad. I should probably slow down. They're so good. Okay, so, yeah. Everyone knows the election was this week. I voted for the first time ever. And I'm done talking about politics. I'm just done because they've been annoying me for the past couple months. Just anything having to do with politics. So, I'm done. It's over. See me? Moving on to Twilight. So, if anyone watches my personal channel, then you might have seen, or if you got a message, I sent a bunch of people messages with the video encrypted, or embedded into it. Sam's Club was doing gifts this year, and there was a Twilight package with like tickets to the premiere and stuff like that and everything, and it was crazy. And I just like seriously like 5 minutes ago, it's early in the morning, but I'm doing this. But like 5 minutes ago, I went to samsclub.com. It sold. That thing was $9,500, and it sold. $9,500. You guys, that's more than what my car is worth. My car. My mode of transportation. The package costs more than my car. Yikes. But yeah, I guess someone just had $9,500 just laying around somewhere. Decided, looks good. I'll buy it. So congratulations, you lucky son of a gun. I wish I were you. But I worked that day, so wouldn't be possible. I am, however, going to a midnight show. I'm going sorry. I'm going to an 11:15 a.m. showing. I have tickets for those so far. Planning on going to a 2 o'clock showing. Then Should get another one probably like at 5, and then probably like 7:30, and then maybe like 10 again. So I'll see it like 5 times hopefully in that one day. I'm so excited, you guys. 11 days. 11 days. I'm counting. I watched a behind the scenes thing. There's like 14 minutes and it was just crazy. I feel like I've seen a lot of the movie already, but I can tell it's gonna be good. Anyway, I'm wasting a lot of time. I have one issue. Well, it includes many issues inside of the issue. I think it was Entertainment Weekly. They did a little article online saying the real cast, and I thought all this stuff was like blown over, but I guess not. There are so many haters of the cast. Like, you guys, this is the perfect cast. They couldn't do any better. Think about it. Think about the acting skills. Think about how they got into character. You see how they've gotten into the characters. It's blown me away. I was doubting so many people. But, amazing. Amazing. There's no one better. And like some people with the whole Jacob issue, the Taylor, they're like, he's okay for the 16-year-old Taylor, but for the 16-year-old Jacob, but I hope they cast someone else in the second movie. Why would they cast a different person? For one, that would lose money, and two, he is bulking up. He said so himself. Yeah. And just all these like different things. It's really, really pissing me off because I am a complete supporter. Like, Team Pats all the way. Because real fans support the real cast. You've seen the little icon. Anyway, so not to end on a melancholy note, my manager I was telling you about last week, yeah, he finished Twilight. And I didn't see him for a couple of days, and I came back and I finally saw him, and I was like, hey, I have New Moon for you. And he's like, kind of got impatient, and I bought it. He told me he did not want to buy any of them until he read them. But he bought it, and he's like, yeah, I bought it. And then he bought Eclipse and Breaking Dawn, and he's still on New Moon, but he's like, it's so good. Like, I saw him, and he's like, that was damn good. I was like, wow. That's amazing. Like, honestly, made me laugh so far. So I can't talk tonight. Made me laugh so much. Tonight, it's morning. It's dark outside. Daylight savings times is still screwing me up. I hate daylight savings times. It bothers me. But yeah. He went all fangirly and he was all like, I'm so excited for the movie. And I was like, dude, you're like... just way funny, by the way. So, if you haven't gotten this yet, get it. Get the soundtrack. Which brings me on to this coming week. We're going to have a theme, actually, for this week. And hopefully Kay gets my message. Kay, I hope you get my message before you film your video for the week. Because I really want that to be the topic. I don't want to spoil it for anyone. Because it's going to be, I think it's going to be a good theme. So, yeah. I'm pretty sure I've just been rambling. I love the cast. I love the movie. Can't wait. I'm excited. I love Twilight. Peace.